Today we'll show you how to download WhatsApp app in on Windows. Okay, just follow the steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to Google and put here download WhatsApp. Okay guys, WhatsApp. Okay, and wait a few minutes. Okay, click here to download WhatsApp. Click and wait 1 second. Okay, and by the way, you can go to Microsoft 8. This is to Microsoft Store. Okay, here you can put download and we will be downloading. Okay, this is start and be now opening. Okay, just open and we now installing. Okay, this is Microsoft Store. You can go, if you don't have Google or something like that, you can go to Microsoft Store and put here WhatsApp. Wait 1 second guys. WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp. You can download it from here because now it's now installing. So here you will be installing. Okay, just will be now a telechargement like 140 MO, and we will wait it. Okay, just guys wait it a few minutes or a few seconds what you have internet, and now it's installing, and now it's like you can open it. Okay, click to open or will be open manually. Okay, just waiting to open this app. Okay, after installing app and after downloading, just click to connect and scan. This is okay, scan this. If you don't have a scan or something like that, just open your phone, your iPhone or your Samsung or your iPhone, it's Android. Just click here and link it and go to here and put this, what your number like this or American, what you have guys, and click your number. Okay, and after this like click to next and copy here will be to write a code and write your code from your phone. Okay guys, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.